Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Cellular data is active and your plan supports tethering, then open Settings and tap Personal Hotspot. Once there, toggle Allow others to join so the phone broadcasts. You set a secure Wi-Fi password, use a mix of letters and numbers, and verify the hotspot name so clients can find it. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. This allows multiple connection methods. Now your iPhone is discoverable and ready for the next steps. You now connect a laptop or tablet. For Wi-Fi, select your iPhone name and enter the hotspot password. For Bluetooth, pair the devices in Settings. For USB, plug into a trusted computer and choose iPhone USB from Network Settings. Once connected, check the Personal Hotspot screen to see active devices and toggle Maximize compatibility when older devices need IP4. Also consider low power mode. If enabled, it may reduce performance, so turn it off for sustained speeds. Keep an eye on data usage to avoid surprises. You finish by disconnecting clients and turning off Personal Hotspot to conserve battery and mobile data. If someone can't join, first make sure the password was entered correctly, then try toggling the hotspot off and on. Reboot your iPhone if problems persist. You can also toggle airplane mode briefly to reset radios and reconnect Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. If nothing works, reset network settings as a last resort. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. And then
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.